Finding the center of a circle or disc is easy, and all you'll need is a square and a marking device. I'm using a carpenter's square, but if you don't have one, you can use just about anything that has a precise 90-degree right angle and a sharp corner. Line up the corner of the square even with the edge of the board. Mark a line on both sides of the angle. Then line up the square along one of the lines, making the corner flush with the edge again. Mark the side of the angle. Then use a straight edge or your square to connect two corners diagonally. Then connect the other two corners. The X marks the spot. The point where the lines intersect in the center is the center of the circle. And that's it. This is Steve, and thanks for watching Uncharted DIY. If this video helped you out, please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube will share it with more people.